Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm replacing oil in a rear diff in my BMW E30 325i. The engine code is M20B25. The oil I'm gonna put is a liquid MOLY 75W90. In the description below the video you will find the whole specification of this oil. First, I'm gonna take the car for a little spin around the block to make sure the oil is warm. Let's take for a spin and come back and replace the oil then. So guys, the warm-up is done. I can now replace the oil. Let's try to undo the oil cap and see how it goes. Here I have the Allen key size 10. First I'm gonna undo the top one. I'll undo the bottom one. The oil seems to be fine, but fresh oil is always good. So let's now just put new washer, close the bottom one and put the fresh oil. It takes 1.7 liter of oil. So right guys, as you can see, the diff is full now and I got the 300 ml left just below that, so it took just a little bit less than 1.7, but it's probably because the old oil is still there. So I can now close the top one and take it for a spin. Not too hard, just to make sure when it comes to another replacement I won't have any problems. I'm gonna keep this car forever, so I have to think about things like this. So guys, let's just check how many liters there was in a diff. So there was around 1.7. Guys, that's it in today's video. If you like this video, please leave the thumb up and subscribe my channel as more videos coming soon. And I see you in the next video.